Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy the BUFD Baby Unicorn Fart Dust Token crypto coin. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this is their X account. You can check their account. Now this token is available in the screener. And as you can see this look icon, it means that your investment is in safe place. Now as you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now I prefer to use the Phantom wallet to buy this. Now first of all, copy the token address. Now go and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on this swap icon. Now make sure you have Solana on your wallet. Now after that, select here and now paste the token address. Now this action, it will save you to lose your money because you select the right token. Now click on your token. Now here enter how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. This is the providers. Make sure to select one of them, and after that they will redirect you to this provider to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the BUFD token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.